So we want to do this one. Now we want to do, if our shoulder's like this, right? It's turned in, we're hunching forward. That body can't go backwards. I want to unwind that shoulder to open things up. I'm here,
Okay.
hand here, and then push myself around to make my body over time look this way.
Twisting the feet.
Twisting your body, exactly. So bring your body this way. There. Is that, what's that sound?
It's starting to hurt all
It's
in
called
here.
pain?
It's bearable.
Good, good. Switch sides. So this arm now here, this hand here, and now turn your body this way.
You hold 30 seconds also?
About 30 seconds to a minute, exactly.
Okay.
Good. How's that feel, Chuck? I'm okay with the feet, as long as the upper body's turning, that's the biggest. That's step one of the T-stretch. Man, this take a while.
It reminds me of whether the pain is good somehow, or whether it's a message to stop doing what you're doing.
It's a good pain. It's a good pain. Next one, Chuck. Next one. Don't leave yet. Don't leave yet.
Go
Here.
back.
Oh,
Here. So you're gonna go from here, right? Here.
yeah.
Now this number two. You're gonna come up here, straight up, and push your armpit against the wall and lean into it to feel that shoulder stretch even more.
I feel it right here.
There you go. So just pull. So if it's not here, it's here. That whole muscle's tight, and that neck is a little tight too.
Right, that's where it's worst.
Yeah. All right. That feel okay?
It's
Switch
okay.
sides?
It's not great, but
Switch
it's
sides?
not hurting.
And then bring this arm down.
Okay.
All the way down. All the way down.
I feel that in my shoulder.
Let's
in
go
my
higher up
elbow.
too. How's that?
Bearable.
Good. I like bearable. Bearable, we get looser and stronger. We get that whole shoulder loosen up here and help that neck loosen up too, along with the arm, the lats, latissimus dorsi, going from the shoulder to the ribs, along with that whole area in that spot too. But having that extra tension allows you to relax on the wall to make things want to stretch even more. So try that and see.